is showing you what some of our students have to say regarding their studies with us. We have a website that you can visit, www.creativosolutions.com, and we are also on the different social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Please consider following and liking our page. We would like to thank all our students for attending classes over the semester, and this is one of the testimonials from one of our students, and this is what he has to say.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Unam Ntantala. I'm a 24-year-old photographer and BCom accounting student based in Johannesburg. My studies with Creative Solutions have been amazing. It's not the first time dealing with Anthony. He was someone who used to lecture me ethics when I was still at a different institution. And then he contacted me, letting me know that he has ventured off on his own and is providing tutoring services. Quite interestingly enough, I just got out of an exam right now, and I think I did quite amazingly, actually. He is so thorough in terms of the calculations that he does. He took me for management accounting. So the theory, we went through everything. We went through all of the calculations. We did past papers. We did the assignments together. And I really, really enjoyed my time. And I'm definitely going to be using him in the future for any other courses and modules that I might have. Thank you very much. And I hope you too enjoy your time with him.